Good afternoon all. Please take
And that is
page
finished.
number
Afternoon, ma'am.
42. Please take textbook page number 42. It's okay. Those who have completed, it's okay. Those who didn't do, we can do together. Now we are starting from page number 42 onwards. Okay. Page number 42 onwards. The same page you can see on the screen also. And please be quiet. Please be quiet. I'm going to mute all. I will call out the name and they will give me the answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now please be quiet. Pratana, unmute. It's already unmuted. And tell me the first one. The table length. How many or number of handspan is? Count it.
3. 1.
The first one is
First question
what
3.
about the table. Next one. Table.
6.
1, 2,
6.
3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. So those who didn't write the number 6 in the column. After telling the answer, please mute your device. Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am Krishna Priya. Ma'am. Next to question 3. Answer.
Pratana, please be quiet. I will ask you another child and they will give me the answer. Okay. I should ask everyone. No. So please be quiet. Now, next one. Laptop. Krishna Priya, please unmute. Others, please be quiet. Krishna Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
And tell me how many handspan laptop?
3.
3. So write the number 3. Write the number 3 in the column.
Ma'am, I too right.
It's okay. Now, Dhruva, please unmute. Dhruva.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
how many handspan the length of the window?
5.
5. So write the number 5. Now let us move to the page number 43. Are you ready? Shall we move to 43? Page number 43.
Yes. Ma'am, Sarah.
Page number 43. Sarah, tell me how many cubits the welcome mat, the length of welcome mat, how many cubits?
2.
2. Write the number 2 there. Now next, the length of the table. Anna Catherine, unmute and tell me how many cubits?
4. 4.
4. Write the number 4 there. The next object. How many cubits the length? Megadharsh, unmute and tell me how many cubits. Next one. Others, please be quiet. I asked you to keep quiet. So please, Megadharsh, tell me how many cubits? Yes, very good.
6.
All of you write the number 6 in the column.
That is finished.
It's okay. Abhinav MP, please unmute. Abhinav MP, please unmute and tell me the next one. The length of the sofa. How many cubits? Count.
7.
7. Very good. Now write the number 7.
Ma'am, this is complete.
Those who have completed, please take page number 4646. Take page number 4646. Page number 4646. The same page you can see on the screen also. You got the same page? All of you got the same page? Yes. Now we have tick as directed. Tick as directed. And we have the first one, A. Lightest, lightest. We can see three objects. Out of these three, which one is lightest? Mohammad Rishan, unmute and tell me which one is lightest. Others, please be quiet.
Third.
Which one is lightest? Mohammad Rishan, unmute and tell me which one is lightest. Which picture shows lightest out of these three?
Third one.
Ah, the third one. Okay. Now, question number B. Heavier. Heavier. And you can see a laptop and a desktop. Henry Baiju, please unmute and tell me which is heavier. Is it the first picture or second picture? Henry Baiju. Is it a laptop or desktop? Second. Second picture shows
Second one.
heavier. Okay, good. Now, question C. Heaviest. 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 Edelan, please unmute. Edelan, please unmute. Others, please be quiet. Edelan, please unmute. You can see bed with a cot, almirah and chair. Which one is heaviest? Edelan, please unmute and tell me. Is it the first one or second one or third one? Which one is heaviest? Bed with the cot. Sorry, cot with the bed, almirah and chair. Which one?
First
Edelan, please unmute.
one.
Edelan can't hear, ma'am.
Second one.
Edelan, which one is heaviest here? Heaviest. Heaviest.
One.
Ah, first one. Cot,
Ma'am,
but
I cannot hear you.
who cannot hear?
Adel and Lijo.
Ah, you can't hear. What
Hear.
about others? What about others can hear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
We can hear loud.
It's okay. Now, question D. Lighther. Raya Sakir, please turn on your video and tell me the answer. You can
Pen.
see pencil and pen. Which one is lighter? Which one is lighter, Raya?
First one.
First one. That
First
means
one.
pencil. Pencil is lighter. Pencil is lighter. Pencil is lighter. Objects that weigh more are heavier and those which weigh less are lighter.
Ma'am, Anaya completed 46.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, Anaya. Please be quiet. See, everybody completed? Shall we move to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Edelan, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Take page number 4747. Page number 4747.
Taken.
Okay, good. And example 5 already written there, already written the solution as. And we have example 6, that means this one. COMPARE, compare the following objects. Write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the boxes below them. So below the picture you can see the boxes. We have to put the number 1 to 5. How? Write 1 for the lightest and 5 for the heaviest. We have to find out which one is lightest. For the lightest we have to put 1 and for heaviest we have to put 5. So here you can see A, you can see a feather, book, comb, table and school bag. So out of these 5 objects, the lightest one is feather. So below feather, it's written 1. And more than feather, the weight is comb. So it's written 2. Now more than comb, book. So it is written 3. And more than book, it is school bag. So written 5. And the heaviest one is table. So it is written 5. Okay. So according to the weights, we have to put the number in the boxes. Now, Evelyn, please unmute. Evelyn, please unmute. Others, please be quiet. Evelyn, tell me the answer of question B. And you have a bird, cat, goat, elephant, and dog. So which one is the lightest one? Which one is the lightest?
Bird. Bird.
Others, please be quiet. Which one will come first? Number 1?
Bird.
Bird. So all of you write number 1 inside the box for bird. 1. Then Evelyn, which will come second? 2. You have cat, goat, elephant, and dog. Which is 2 according to the weight, more than bird. Which will come?
3.
No, which one is second? Second, which one? Cat or dog or goat or elephant? Having more weight compared to bird.
Cat. Cat.
Cat. So we can put a number 2
Cat.
below the box,
Ma'am,
below the cat's picture. Let's continue. Which will come 3? Is it a goat, elephant, or dog?
Goat.
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 Okay. Now, which will come 4? Is it elephant or dog?
Elephant. Elephant.
Elephant or dog? Fourth one. Having more.
Dog.
Dog. Very good.
Dog.
Now, which is the heaviest? Heaviest?
Ma'am, completed. Elephant.
Elephant. Elephant. Elephant is the heaviest. Elephant is the heaviest. Please be quiet in between. Okay. If you have completed, it's good. Very good. So we have the lightest one, bird. Then more than weight, it is cat. And more than cat, we have goat. Then we have dog. Then the last one, or having more weight, heaviest one is elephant. All of you have completed? Shall we move to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Page
Yes,
number
ma'am.
4848. Page number 4848. Please be quiet. Only Austin unmute. Austin only unmute and listen to me. See, you can see question C. Cow, elephant, rat, rabbit, sheep. So which one will come first? Which is the lightest one? Which is having less weight? Look at the picture.
Rat.
Ah, very good. So put number 1 in the box. Then next one. Which will come second? Is it rabbit, sheep,
Rabbit.
or elephant?
Rabbit.
Is it Austin is saying?
Rabbit.
I told many times, please be
Rabbit.
Which will come second? Austin?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. So put number 2 in the box. Now, which will come 3? Is it a sheep, cow, or elephant?
Sheep.
Okay, number 3. Now, what about a 4? Which one will come 4?
Cow.
Cow. And the heaviest one is?
Elephant. Elephant.
Elephant.
Ma'am, completed.
I many times told you, please be quiet. If it is completed, it's good. You can check your answers. Now, Adityan is only unmute. Adityan is only unmute. Others, please be quiet. And question number D. Question D. We have mangoes, cherries, watermelon, banana, and pineapple. So, which one is the lightest? Adityan, which one is lightest? Is it mango or cherry or watermelon or banana or pineapple?
Cherry.
Very good. So put a number 1, cherry. Okay. Number 2 will come
Banana.
banana. Good boy. Number 3,
Mango.
mango. Number 4,
Pineapple.
pineapple. And number 5 or heaviest one is
Watermelon.
watermelon. Very good. Very good. The heaviest one is watermelon. Johan Judy, please unmute. Johan Judy, please unmute. Did you complete the answer of D?
Yes.
Shall we move to E?
Yes.
And we have pumpkin, chilies, tomato, potato, onion. And which will come the first or lightest, Johan?
Chili.
Chili. Please, others, please be quiet. Please be quiet, others. So, chili will come first. It is a lightest. Okay, after chili, which will come next?
No, keep going. Tomato.
Tomato. Number 2. Tomato is 2.
Tomato.
Okay, tomato. Number 3.
Potato.
Potato. Others, please be quiet. Please be quiet. Number 3, potato. And number 4,
Onion. Onion. Four.
onion.
Onion. Number
And
onion.
heaviest one is
Pumpkin.
Number
4 is pumpkin.
and which one is heaviest?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. So number 5 is pumpkin. Number 5 is pumpkin. Now we have train my brain. Another, the same type of questions only, same type. We have to put numbers according to their weights. Please be quiet and listen. Compare the following objects and write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the boxes below them. Write 1 for the lightest and 5 for the heaviest. And we have a feather, books, coin, pencil, bus. Hayan, only unmute, others please be quiet. Only Hayan unmute. And Hayan, please tell me which one is the lightest in these 5?
Feather.
Ah, feather, very good. Right, number 1. Okay, number 2.
Coin.
Number
Coin.
2.
Coin.
Is it a coin or pencil? Is it a coin or pencil?
Coin. Pencil.
It is pencil only, no? Pencil.
Pencil.
If you are comparing the weight of coin and pencil, pencil will be lighter. So number 2 is pencil. Okay, Hayan. What is number 3?
Coin.
Coin. Very good. Now, number 4,
Book.
books. Number 5,
Last one is five.
number 5,
Bus.
bus. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now we have B. Marin completed the answer of A.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we have question B and we have apple, cycle, scooter, car, school bus. So which will come? One, which one is the lightest?
Apple.
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 So please write a number 1. Others, please be quiet. Okay, number 2. Which one is number 2?
Cycle.
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 Now, Marin, number 3. Which one is number 3?
Scooter.
I
Scooter.
said others, please be quiet. Okay, number 3 is scooter. Okay, number 4,
Car.
car. Number 5,
School bus. School
school bus. Number 5 is school bus. It's already in order according to the weights. Megadash brother is disturbing. All of you have completed? All of you have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we move to next page? Shall we move
Yes,
to
ma'am.
next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha completed. Aisha completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me share the screen. Let us take the next page and listen to ma'am. See, listen here. We compare the weights of objects using a simple balance. You can see the picture of a simple balance. This we call simple balance. And a simple balance having 2 pans. Simple balance having 2 pans. And in the pans, objects. And you can see, or we can understand that which pan is going down, that will be heavier, and which pan is going up, that will be lighter. Here in the first picture, you can see 2 pans, and in the first pan having orange, second pan having banana. And orange, that side pan is going down. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? And orange is heavier than banana. Which one is going down? That will be heavier. Which one is going up? That will be lighter. Or if it is same weight, it will be balanced. It will be balanced. Now look at the second symbol balance. You can see one watermelon and the other pan having 4 footballs. So the pan having footballs going down. So that shows heavier and watermelon shows lighter. Second picture, watermelon is lighter than 4 footballs. Not only one, there are 4 footballs. So football's pan is heavier and watermelon pan is lighter. And in the third symbol balance, you can see both the pans having equal weight. The bottles are same. Both the bottles are of the same weight. Understood? So there is no going down, up or down. That means it is balanced, equal weight, equal weight. Okay. Now we have to do some exercise related to balance. Now example 7. Let us read. Look at the objects on the simple balance, and what we have to do? Tick the heavier object and cross the lighter one. So which pan is going down, that will be heavier, and which pan is going up, that will be lighter. So we have to put a tick mark for the heavier and cross mark for the lighter. And see the picture. We have one pan having watermelon, another pan having 3 oranges. Here, which one is heavier? Which one is heavier? Is it watermelon or orange? Is it watermelon or orange?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Because watermelon side, that pan is going down. That means watermelon is heavier. So below the watermelon, we can see the tick mark, and orange having that pan is lighter. So there we can see the cross mark. So heavier one we have to put a tick mark, lighter one we have to put a cross mark. Now all of you please take page number 5050. Page number 5050. Page number 5050. Shrudakirti, please unmute. Shrudakirti, please unmute. And look
Yes,
at the balance. Look at the simple balance. You can see in one pan a cat, another pan you can see a rat. Which one is heavier? Rat or cat?
ma'am. Cat.
Cat is heavier. So we can put a tick mark for cat and cross mark for rat. Now, Maithili, please unmute. Look at the next one. You can see in one pan an apple, another pan having 6 bananas. So which one is heavier? Banana. Having 6 banana, no? So it is heavier. So there we can put a tick mark. And apple is lighter. So we can put there cross. Okay, Maithili, good. Now, Manav, please unmute. Manav. Look at the next simple balance. You can see in one balance a big blue book and another pan you can see a pencil. Which one is heavier? Which one is heavier? Book. Book is heavier. That pan is going down. So we can put a tick mark for book and cross mark for pencil.
Pencil.
Cross mark for pencil. And we have next one. Next also simple balance. Malavika, please unmute and tell me. One pan we can see a red ball, another pan you can see a football. Which one is heavier? Is it a red ball or football?
Football is heavier.
So we can put a tick mark for football, cross mark for red ball. The same pages I will forward in the group also. So those who don't have the textbook, you can do it in the textbook later.
I'm completed.
And it is 3:14, so we have to wind up the session. So let me stop sharing.
No, ma'am. Anaya, no completed.
Okay, Anaya, do it.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
It's okay, it's okay.
Ma'am,
Anyway, if you
now
don't have a
complete.
textbook, please.
Ma'am, now
I will share everything in the group. You can copy from there. Anaya, when you get the textbook, you can copy into that. I will send in the group.
Ma'am, I already finished it.
Okay, good. So thank you for joining. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye.